Okay, let's light the Bernzomatic propane or matte gas torch. Just the flame for 4 to 6 inches. There's 4 inches. And then carefully put in the oxygen. It takes forever for the oxygen valve to finally open, and when it does, it'll blow the flame out almost instantly. There we go. Probably should count turns. So let's try number 1. Back to the 4 to 6 inch flame, and let's go for the oxygen. Very slowly. There it goes. Four to 6 inch flame. Very slowly. Oh, a little oxygen coming. There we go. The second you get oxygen, it does this. Add in a little more oxygen. Add in a little more oxygen. Still flashing. Add in a little more oxygen. Just a tiny bit more. So now we've got the 1/4 inch flame. Still flashing. Brand new system. So we're supposed to put in a little more gas for a brazing flame. Tiny amount, and it blows itself out. This will happen every time. I've done it a dozen times already. So we'll try to light the torch again, this time with super low fuel. So here's the flame. Looks like it's the best I'm going to get. Nope, still goes out. You can run through the whole tank just trying to get it lit. Here we go. Little oxygen coming in. It's a joke. Do not buy this.